purify a crystal, you set it on fire, one slice at a time. A molten band crawls down the rod, and every atom that doesn't belong gets dragged along for the ride. What's left behind is almost perfect. This is a story about that word, almost, and about why we spent 50 years chasing pure, only to put the dirt back in, on purpose. 1966. An engineer named Charles Cow is obsessed with a failure. Glass eats light. Back then, the best optical glass swallowed almost everything you fed it. 1,000 decibels of loss per kilometer. Your signal died within a few hundred meters. Everyone said, that's just what glass is. Cow said, no, that's dirt. The same trace of iron that makes a bottle look green was strangling the light. Remove the impurities, he promised, and the loss falls below 20 decibels. Light could run for kilometers. 4 years later, 3 engineers at Corning did exactly that. And in 2009, Cow's promise won the Nobel Prize in Physics for groundbreaking achievements concerning the transmission of light in fibers for optical communication. Today, send light down a full kilometer of modern fiber. 95% of it comes out the other end. Cow's wildest ambition was 1%. The world record, set by Sumitomo in 2017, is a loss so small that light keeps half its strength for over 20 kilometers of solid glass. And that thread is now the planet's nervous system. About 99% of everything that crosses an ocean, every call, every video, every trade, travels through hair-thin strands of almost perfect glass, lying quietly on the seabed. Purity, it turns out, is infrastructure. So how pure can matter get? The trick came from Bell Labs in the 50s. Don't melt the whole crystal. A sliver and make it crawl. Impurity atoms would rather float in the liquid than sit in the solid. So the molten zone drags them pass after pass to the far end of the rod, like sweeping dirt down a hallway. Applied to germanium, the records say it got down to about 1 stray atom in 10 billion. Silicon gets the full treatment. Quartz sand, cooked into 98% raw metal, turned into a gas and distilled, then grown back as a single crystal. The result is 9 to 11 nines, up to 99.999999999% silicon, one of the purest materials humans make in bulk, a part per billion of everything else, and 1 part in a billion is 1 second. In 32 years. One catch, this is chemical purity, nothing but silicon atoms. Remember last episode's perfect sphere? That was isotope purity, a different ruler entirely. And then we ruin it on purpose. Because here's the joke. 11 nines of silicon is a nearly perfect insulator. Useless. The whole war on every stray atom was fought so that we could choose the next atom ourselves. Drop in, boy. 1 atom for every 100 million of silicon. And the crystal conducts one way. Swap it for phosphorus and it conducts the other way. Every chip on Earth is built from exactly this. Matter purified down to almost nothing, then contaminated with almost nothing, placed exactly where we want it. The point of pure was never clean. The point of pure is control. Keeping it pure is a war on everything else. The water that rinses the silicon is stripped of every ion it has, down to the physical ceiling of clean water. 18.18 megacentimeters. Water that pure is hungry. It pulls minerals out of whatever it touches. It would slowly eat steel pipes. So the pipes are plastic. And no, a glass of it will not kill you. That's a myth. It just tastes of nothing and steals a few ions off your tongue on the way down. The real danger with water is drinking far too much of it, and that's true of any water. The rooms fight the same war. The cleanest class of clean room allows 10 specks of dust in a cubic meter of air. And the dirtiest thing inside that room is you, standing perfectly still in a full suit. A person sheds, by industry counts, about 100,000 particles a minute. Take a walk, and it's 1 million. So, where does the purest matter end up? Underground and ancient. Freshly mined lead is faintly radioactive. It carries its own clock. Lead-210. But lead that sank with a Roman ship 2,000 years ago has had all of that quietly tick away to nothing. So today, deep under a mountain in Italy, a detector listening for some of the rarest events in the universe hides behind the cargo of a Roman shipwreck. We declared war on every atom that doesn't belong, and the cleanest shield we could find had been waiting at the bottom of the sea for 2,000 years. Next time, the perfect kilogram.